want to send me here dry, whatever, yeah, go check off. Cause at least me have here, I'ma look good, but whatever. Guys, so today is December 30th. Yeah. You wanna say hi, Samari? Hi. Alright guys, so we got up, we got ready. My grandmother actually called us this morning and she needed to go to town to go deal with some stuff. She doesn't know where the place is and he does. So she asked us to bring her. So we're gonna go meet her now in Winston and then we're gonna go to town. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. But supposed to keep again. Yeah. So I guess I'm not going to town anymore. So I got all nice and cute for nothing. So there you go. What were you saying about Jamaica news?
No, Pauline said, Pauline said my black international side. She don't know if I can come or if I come.
I must pick up, Granny, I can't pick up.
You mean if it come, not
must come.
So hi guys, we are going to Bagwalk.
Yes, we're going to Bagwalk. No tone, but whatever. So you go. Yeah. No, I'm not doing my nails. No, I'm not a nail somebody. I'm not a nails person like that. And why would I polish my nails? I look a pitney polish nails. Somebody's calling you. Yes, guys, I'm not doing my nails like no fall slip or nothing because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to like work in it. I mean I could, but like I'm not gonna chance it. You know, I work with like bags and like stuff and I don't wanna like make any ruptures or anything like that. And then my ass will be on the line, so no. So yeah, no nails for me.
What you say?
You know. Well guys, tomorrow is New Year's Eve and I wanted to cook for everybody and I wanted oxtail to cook. And obviously I'm not the type of person to cook oxtail for myself alone. That don't look good. You live in a place with people and people that come, you can't eat like a nice or something and then go eat like chicken or whatever. I just so I feel or whatever. That's selfish or whatever. So wait the granny. So anyways, me say I go buy like one 6 pound oxtail or so, a fry pan or whatever. We'll come on one place and it's $1,600. So I was willing to pay whatever. Me and my grandmother talking about some old that too dear for oxtail and this and that. But if me wanted something, what am I gonna do? And I can't go cook 2 pounds just for myself alone because that's being selfish. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Be gone and maybe pay be sitting. I guess you're gonna go look for somewhere cheaper or whatever. Talk, granny, talk.
And guys, we are going to Bagwalk and
some if it just fried chicken and a big Christmas Eve of New Year's Eve. With no nicer chicken.
And guys, when we go to
so guys, we reach at the next place. So we left with $1,600 oxtail for one place. That's $1,805. So I'm going back to the other place to go get my oxtail for $1,600 a pound. Okay. I'm gonna cut it down and do 5 pounds of oxtail. People can't get enough gravy with bean on one piece of oxtail with the fried chicken. Okay. 5 pound of oxtail times 1,600 is how much? What? 8,000 flat? You sure? Yeah. Well, Granny used to go and market somebody, so she's supposed to know. It's probably 8 much, no, so or 9. No, because he was just telling me it was 9,600. This 5 times 1,600. Oh, 8,000 flat. Okay. So Granny have sense. Guys, I go get 5 pound then instead, and then cut up some chicken and fried chicken and do oxtail, and then go to the supermarket get me brown and enough butter bean and cook dinner tomorrow. So yeah. Okay, Granny. Yo, look at this. I don't know if I waste stuff or I just like to be more or Granny them just and guys. Granny, who had so much sitting?
And guys,
Shanky help me. Shanky not to go and cook damn breakfast for me at morning time. That will help me. Jesus. Can you please go back so I can get my oxtail, please? Guys, so we buy food, right? And you know I get my normal like rice and peas with pasta and fried chicken or whatever and some gravy. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna feel for soup. I really don't like soup, but like sometimes you just want something hot. I said, guys, the soup nice. You have a little pepper, you know, it tastes good. You like your soup, B?
Yeah, your soup nice.
And guys,
And some they back there tear up in chicken. Him not like food, but yeah, fried chicken and pasta. And he might tear it up. How your food taste, Sam? Eh?
delicious.
Delicious.
And guys, me and Nyamo to me.
Yeah.
Me and Nyamo to me like a hug.
Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna finish my soup and then eat my food, and I don't know what we're gonna go do now since we're not going to town because my grandmother got her business sorted out in Linstead, so she's not gonna go to town. Me have my chicken and figure my auntie. I did raise some chicken for Christmas, so I have to go pick those up because I'm cooking tomorrow. I don't know if I vlogged this earlier, but I did end up getting the oxtail. I just ended up getting the 6-pound oxtail. So then when I go up, you know, I'm gonna season up that, have B cut up my chicken for me, come in and like cut chicken, and then season up my meat for tomorrow, swap my peas and stuff like that. So yeah. Okay, so here's my food that I got: fried chicken with rice and peas with pasta and pork gravy. They give me a little bit of gravy. I mean, that girl would love enough gravy for our rice, but so you go. And then B, you want to show them what you got?
You know what we get?
Alright.
Beef, yeah.
Yeah, beef, but you don't want them to see your food. I say afternoon, beef.
Good afternoon, guys.
Look for when you not talk to them. You can't say something. What you do from morning?
Me not do nothing from morning.
No, tell them.
What you do from morning? Huh?
From morning, me get up, I got ready, be gone, got look bones sewn, and gone for like hour and odd.
I'm gonna go if you know what.
Yes, you did, be. You left,
leave if you get ready.
you left 10:20 and you come back 11:30.
Show the people.
Here's his food, and get steamed cabbage or steamed veg with beef and rice.
So guys, my food.
They see your food already, so.
Guys, I'm eating fried chicken, 2 fried chicken, and some pasta, and I'm yamming up the chicken.
Guys, me eat a lot of my food, and that's unlike me because I usually yam off, but too much oil did it on the one side.
Somebody, what you do, man?
And it kind of upset me, so I'm gonna just put on my food for a little bit, and I'll get back to it like a little later on today. But yeah, so I'm going to my grandmother's sister or my grandaunt to go pick up my chicken then. No, and then I don't know where we're gonna go after that. Alright, good night guys. So we'll come back, you know, and we get one ice cream, one cherry pineapple ice cream, and then nice. Be ice cream nice though.
Yeah, nice, bad.
Can I get some?
Huh?
Can I get some?
What do you want?
I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, I'm gonna name up.
Huh?
So I'm gonna finish eating my ice cream, and then I'm gonna go in the shower and bathe, and then go to bed. I was gonna season up and eat them, but B said make we stay till the morning. So you know, me I gotta listen to B. We do that. Me I gotta wake up early and season up and eat. Wake up early, go for Samari. He's at his grandmother's. He's spending the night there, so me and B can have some quality time together tonight. Yeah, so we don't have to deal with him, because when he's here he just wants to sleep with us, so you know that can't go on when mommy and daddy time, right? So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna end this vlog here, so I just want to say good night, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye. All right, good morning goodies. It's like about 8 o'clock now. Now we wake up, get our day started. Like I said, I was gonna season up the meat then, but right now we're putting some clothes to wash, because today is New Year's Eve, and you know in New Year can't catch you in dirty clothes, so we're gonna wash and then pin these up, and then we're gonna go for Samari, and then I'm gonna season up the meat. Wait, B, you gotta season the meat first before you go for Samari. I go for Samari first. Okay. Well, then after we put these clothes to wash, then we're gonna start seasoning up the meat, and I'll show you guys that process. So yeah. Here's my food, the rice and bullet beans. I'm gonna eat this now. Alright guys, so these are the seasons I'll be using. Obviously, you know, you need your Eve Brown, and this is some jerk season, Maggi all-purpose season, Maggi chicken flavor season, some garlic powder, and adobo. So I'm gonna put this on my oxtail. I don't know, when my day I find I usually like have like more variety of like seasons or whatever, but being really like in sitting like full up enough sodium, you know. Me say high blood pressure over here. But my grandmother cook with salt, so I'm just gonna limit what I use. But usually like we have like our blend up season. Me and my grandmother use abroad, and like blend up, like we have a blend up green season and a blend up a mix up powder season or whatever. So I'll just be using those, and I'm going to use those same products for the fried chicken as well.
And be a chef up the kitchen. She's all in the night. She had some steamed rice and chicken gravy.
Alright guys, why? When you guys talk to me, you saw me seasoning up my meat. So much happened within that space of time, okay? So a meat season, me got instead, if you go pick up something, and then we came back, I started to cook. Remember, it was on the menu. Rice and peas, oxtail and fried chicken was on the menu. When I came in, I said, alright, I got pressure peas, go and brown down my oxtail or whatever, because I want pressure cooker, so I was just gonna switch it out or whatever. Guys, me start from 3 o'clock, I'm just done cook. Say call it about 8 o'clock or whatever. 5 hours of cooking. You know why? Because the damn pressure cooker was giving me a problem. It wouldn't pressure cooker all we had done, and it finally started work. And then like I had invited like my grandmother and then mother and sister or whatever, and like they came, and I was like still frying the chicken. Me feel bad or whatever, but they understand still. So you know, we all ate and everything. I'll insert some videos of the food here, but yes guys, the food was like very good. Everyone loved my cooking. I said, oh homie, I'm a Jamaican and I can't cook so good, and ray. So yeah, so that was good. It was a nice dinner. My grandmother couldn't make it because she had to go, she went to go look for her sister who came down yesterday. So I'm gonna see them tomorrow, but she stopped and saw them today, so she couldn't get a chance to come down here to get some of the food. So I'm gonna drop off. So I'm going to me and B are going to drop off her food now. So yeah, B, how's my food?
Food good. Food was good.
It was great.
That little boy,
that's all you can say.
Fambo.
That's all you can say.
Good morning, guys. Happy New Year's. So me and my grandmother, husband, my auntie, the kids, and me and B. We're at the beach right now. We're going to Flavors. More people did plan to come, but like they bailed on us or whatever. But you know, I saw you go from now on. You know, me and B. I got something there. But yeah, we're at the beach now. We're gonna go walk now. We're gonna play in the sand, make some sand castles and stuff. And yeah, here's everyone. Johnny and Samara, you don't want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi guys! We're going in the sea! Look!
Yeah, nice water, yeah.
Oh, yeah, baby, bye-bye!
Yeah.
No, we don't care yet. We're ready.
Oh, he left. B, you was right. Your car won't wash for you. It's dirty.
Yeah.
Say good morning, Chief Vlog.
Good morning. Just reached our beach. Tired.
I already told him we reached our beach and I nothing else to say.
Tired, B.
B, can I put on my blue stuff now? My black stuff?
Yeah.
No? Alright. I wanted to come out the house with just this on, and B was like, no, me have to wear one shorts or whatever. But guys, in the beach me I go, so why couldn't I come out like this? But yeah, we got a beach now. Come B, we want to go get wet. Jai, the river, I said the river, the beach be?
Yeah.
You're cool? So here's the beach, guys. See, Jordan and Samari just take over the guy ball. Didn't want them to play. They just took it over for them.
Yes.
Samari, you enjoy beach?
Yes.
Talk to you, vlog. You don't want to talk. Anyway, so anyways, we took Samari out into the water or whatever. He's like, no, carry me back on land, carry me back on land. And he said he want to drown him. Not drown him, but he couldn't manage the wave or whatever.
Guys, look at this, guys. I'm in the vlog. I'm a big whee. Wow.
Guys, before we want me or need to get like a proper washing because you know it's salt water and I'm gonna be here if you're dry. I'm brittle.
Guys,
We just want a good beard because you know salt there everywhere in the sun.
we are doing fine. And guys, this is the perfect vlog ever. If you ever come with us, you can enjoy the rest of your life, guys.
My granny no easy now she see one breadfruit tree over there sitting and she begging man one. Like seriously?
Oi,
And you know, me not eat no breadfruit from me coming now. Guys, me not eat no breadfruit from me come, but I guess closed mouth don't get fed. Bombard. Hey guys, so we come from the beach and we stop at Linstead for some KFC, but the line is very long. Big on Johnny line, and he just called me and said it's too long. I even feel like telling it, but all of us want KFC, so he has to stay.
I'm gonna eat off everything.
So hopefully it can get through quick. The time now about, I said 3 o'clock. Hopefully it reach back up by 4. But yeah, so that we are gonna do, we are gonna eat and then we are gonna go back up, get bed off and stuff. I need to wash my hair, wash the salt out. B wants to trim and wash the car, then later we are going, my cousin she have one party for New Year's, so yeah. So guys, it took like maybe like 30 minutes. So I guess he was in and out, so I got wings and fries. So we're eating now and then we're on our way up. Guys, as you know, we did come from the beach, we get the KFC, that was earlier, and then I came in, I washed my hair. Samari and Jardine washing my hair. I should have set up my camera, but I was afraid it was gonna get wet or whatever. But you're fine, this is them, me bend down and then my playing on me here or whatever. I mean, obviously I did most of the work, but you know, they helped a little bit. So yeah, I washed my hair. Hence why you see, okay, hence why you see like me fix up nice like my face with like my hair in the look 100 or whatever. I didn't want to put like no gel or anything in it or anything to like fix it up on or curl it up, put no product because I just washed it and I'm supposed to be getting my hair done tomorrow if all goes well. So I didn't want it to like have any product and then you know it could, you know, fronzy up and you know what I mean, and get still quick or whatever. So that's why me hair just look like this, no product or whatever. Who wants to send me hair dry or whatever, yeah, go check off because at least me have hair, I'ma look good, but whatever. So I'm on my way to my cousin's. She's having a party to get together. I really don't know what you want to call it for the New Year's or whatever. I don't know if I dance like or what, but we're on our way there. My grandmother's already there, so you know she come down from yesterday and I haven't seen them in a while, so I'm going there to go see family, see them, and you know, play music and we drink and stuff. So yeah, if anything happens, like any dance or anything, I'll definitely be sure to pull out my phone and vlog it for you guys so you can see. Yep. Everywhere he goes, him off their own soul.
fuck somebody.
Bust a black me, you know. All who knows you still have to make it in a life no matter what. And you pray to Father God. Start bust a black me, you know. What's Mikayla now? Let go. Let go. Let go.
Alright guys, so it's like I'm coming almost the time is 4. Oh, you can't see it. Went up. Okay, the time is about 4:08. We're coming from the party. Guys, we got about 3 parties tonight or whatever. We just hop. I'm not really fresh. I'm just really tired. I just had like a shot of rum before I left the party, and like I just want to sleep so bad. Remember, I didn't get any
sleep, you know, just you want to know all these sleep.
No, guys, I'm going to bed. Okay. I'm tired because it beach drunk me earlier. You know, the water. And I didn't get a chance to sleep when I came from the beach. So I'm gonna go sleep now. B feel like I'm yanning. I go up tonight. No. I can't wait till later in the idea. I'm going to my bed. I'm gonna take off my makeup and not go. Though I feel I just want to sleep now, but I don't want to ruin my face anymore. I mess up the sheets. I'm gonna take off my makeup, go to bed, get some sleep, and then I'll see you guys in the morning. Again, Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Bye.